Welcome back to CAD 216, and we are getting ready to put our roof on this house. And if you got your book, this is in the Gable Roof section, or the roof section of this. We're going to put a gable roof on, and to begin with, and it's going to look like this. We're going to come in here. And you all have done a little bit of roof when we done that little example project at the beginning of the cabin, so it's going to work just the same way. We're going to come over here and we're going to grab us a roof in our architecture. We go roof, and we want to do roof by footprint. And what level do we need to put this one on? Well, what level is this? So I want to stop this just a minute, and I want to take a look. And you can actually see right there, roof. That's where we need to be to put our roof on. That makes sense, doesn't it? So we're still in the command because you've got the mode on right here. It says it's light green. And if you want it out of it, you just have to click close. So what you want to do here again, roof by footprint. And we're going to go and put this thing on the roof level. Hit yes. And again, you're better off just come over here and get on the roof level. Alright, it's not showing up there. Roof framing. I'm not seeing it there either. So we'll have to go in there and we can roof plan. So it should be in here. For some reason the cut plane is not right on this, so we'll come down here. And this is good because it's going to help you to see what to do when you come up to these things. So I want to hit I need to close out of this, and I need to go in here and look at my clip plane. And depth of clips, view range is what I need to be on right here. You have to escape out of everything and edit view range. The top of it, you see what it's associated with the roof, is 20 foot offset above the roof. So that's not good. Let's do 0 on that. And associate level of roof, I'm just going to put here minus like 3 feet or something like that. Cut plane. Okay, cut plane, minus 3, apply. We can see there all the way down to, let's do minus 6, apply. Alright, so the top of it is the top of is the roof level. Roof level, we're going minus 6, and view depth, let's go down to minus 7. So we can see all the way down to minus 7 from the top of the roof level, going down to minus 7 foot. Our cut plane is 3 foot, and our bottom primary range, all that should work out now. You see how that brought it on there for us? So we can see all this. And really, probably didn't want to go all the way down to touch this one, this level. Probably just this one would have been alright, but I think we're okay for the time being. And I will come up here and I'll hit roof by footprint. And now we'll try it again. And this one, let's see what we can do. And let's see what the book wants us to do. They're wanting us to use this generic 12-inch to start out with. And let's see. When you do this, you've got what's called pick walls, and it is so much easier to use the pick walls. And it does have an overhang on this thing. The overhang is 1 foot 6. Right here's where you're going to put that overhang. 1-6, and there's 1 foot 6 inches. So at this point, you just come around through here and click on those edges like you all remember doing earlier. We'll put it right there. Put it right there. Right there. And on this one, it's only going to be to right there. And you see how it's not all the way, and actually I need to cut that one off. You can't take and blend these together. You have to just do one line. It can't be two lines put together. Like if I had a line down here, let's say pick this wall, pick wall, and I come down there and done that. You can't take and grab it and connect it like that because it's saying there's two walls or two roofs. You have to do it by one piece and bring it across just like I'm doing. And now this line here, and we're not taking it all the way to the edge of this. You'll see that a little bit later. We're going to put, there's actually like a dormer on that, and I'll show you how to do that here in just a few minutes. But again, you're looking, and each one of these means a pitch, okay? And so it's saying each wall here has a pitch. Well, the thing of it is, alright, if you want a pitch, that's fine. I hit check mark, and then I go to 3D and we'll take a look. And you're noticing all the sides are pitched because I put that pitch on there. We want this to be a gable roof, so I don't want this pitched or this one. So all you have to do is click on your roof, edit your footprint, and you can do this in 3D mode. I can come here and click on this one, and you see how it's got 912. That's our pitch. That means for every 12 inches over, we're going up 9 inches. Alright, the higher this number gets, the steeper the roof gets, okay? A 12-12 pitch is a 45-degree angle. Now, you'll notice, when looking at this, when you come over here, that this roof right here has a pitch on it, 912, and this one over here has a pitch on it of 912. So, the thing of it is, this roof needs to be 812. Now, we could have set it over here. You could have clicked on that line, and you can do it from here, 812, and apply, and you see it change there. Or you can actually just click on the wall itself, or on the line of the roof, and hit 812. But the thing of it is, I don't need these pitches to make this thing a hip roof. So I want to click on it, you come up here, and you take Define Slope. Right here it is, Define Slope, turn it off. Click here, take Define Slope, turn it off. Now I want to take and click on this. This needs to be 812. Click on this one. It needs to be 812. And check mark. And now you see this roof. There is your just a regular gable roof, okay? Now, we've got that set so far, and we need to turn this into a different type of material. Now, on this one, let's see what they're wanting us to do. What type of material they want. If they want the 1 foot, I'm sure they don't. But anyways, we can go ahead while that's in there, and you can click on this wall, and you can attach to the top base. And it'll send it up. You can grab this, attach it to the top base as well. And then grab this and attach it to the top base as well. Alright, so far so good. And we'll change this material a little bit later on in and we'll click on this one, we'll attach it to right there. We'll grab this section and attach it to right there. So there we are. There we have that up to that point. Everything's looking great. So now I want to go ahead and put this little dormer on right here that we've got. And it's fairly simple. It's not anything too difficult. All you got to do on it, and we'll come back into Roof Plan and do the same thing that you did before. Come in here and go to Roof by Footprint. It's going to have the same everything we're going to have the same pitch on it, the same overhang, all that good stuff. So just click on it, and both these sides are 8/12. I should have changed it over here. Catch the front, and that's all you want to do. I want to show you a trick on this too. Escape out a few times, get that cleared. Bring your lines up to about right there. You see what I'm doing? Go ahead and take and fix your pitches on all these. That's 8/12. Go ahead and fix that. All right. And then put you a line across this. And this back one, do you see how I put the line on? I just come up here and done that. Click on this one, and I don't want to define slope because I don't want this side pitched. I turn that off. Alright. I don't need this side pitched. Turn that define slope off. So now I'll hit check mark on that, and it made a roof. You can't see it, but I can see it when I go to 3D here. And that's exactly what I want. And I want to show you the rest of how to do this. What you want to do here is take, and we're going to send this piece back to here, and there's a little tool in your modify command, and it's this tool right here. It's join a roof or unjoin a roof. Click on it and click the main top of the roof, or actually click the line here, one of these lines, it doesn't matter, and then click on the entire roof just like that. Now what I want to do is just again go modify, or actually to architecture. Let's just click this wall and attach it to this top base. There we go. It's looking better, isn't it? Looking better. Okay, now we just got to put the roofs in on these sections here. We'll have this thing looking like a house. So that roof will come at level 8. Actually, they're wanting us to go up to 12 foot on that. So let's go into our elevations and check that out. And you're seeing there's a top of the second roof. I'm getting 14 foot. Alright. Okay, top of second roof is 14 foot. Second floor is at 9 foot. The roof's at 18 foot. So this one should have been really 12 foot. So I can change that real quick. Right here, 12. No big deal. Now, level 8, I guess that was supposed to be my level 8. I guess I had it called top of second roof. It's supposed to be 12 foot. So I'll double click this and I'll put low roof because that's what they have in the book. Yes, I want to correspond to all that, to all the different things in here with that. Alright. So that's where we're going, is the low roof. So you'll come over here and you'll see the low roof should be on here somewhere. There it is. Double click. And again, I do not see my low roof. I do not see my low roof. So what I have to do is I've got to, if you remember, you'll come over here and go into your view range. And when I do that, I want to go in here. We're at low roof, 7'6" above, just like we did last time. The top of it would be 0. The bottom of it, let's go like -3 foot. Cut plane, we'll say like -2. And then the view depth, we'll go down to -4 foot. Okay? Now we can see all that. So we're in good shape there. We'll keep on rolling over and see what's going on. The low roof's at 12 foot, so we're going to put a roof on it. And again, just come over here to roof by footprint, same 1/6. As far as the overhang, 1'6". The pitch again is 812. Click here, pitch is 812. No pitch there, so we turn off define slopes. And then come up here and just grab yourself a line and go from right there. And actually, this needs to be lined right up with this line right here. So I'll do an alignment. I'll catch that, puts it right on the mark. And again, remember that turn define slope off. And that way when I check mark this, go to 3D, you'll see that roof has come in there pretty close, pretty good. Click on this wall, attach the top base, send it up, just like that. We got to come over this side to the garage, and we are going to do the same exact thing. Go back to your low roof, and again, roof by footprint, same song and dance. Everything's the same. And I'm just going to do a line, and we'll catch all that. Then we'll move it after we get it set. Grab it. You can actually grab it and move it into place too. It'll catch that point. And then we catch it. We are going to turn define slopes off. Catch this. Turn define slopes off, and then make this one an 812 pitch. Just like that. Check mark. We are good. Go to 3D. That's looking really, really good at that point. And we'll go ahead and click on this wall and send this sucker up to the roof. And we'll have to do a little bit of work on this here in just a few minutes to get that fixed up. Everything is turning out really good. So I'm going to save it. And we might as well go ahead and put that in. I'll show you a quick trick on this, how to fix all this stuff up. Now, I want to take, and I want to click on this wall, or this roof, and I want to hide it. Hide element. I didn't delete it, it just hid. I'll turn this around, and this right here, I want to edit this profile. That's that wall. If I were to turn it right there, it's this wall. I turn it back around left. I just clicked on the center of this of left, and it turned me around. And I want to go to Edit Profile, and you see this line. All I'm going to do is hit my line here and go from there to there. Come over here, and I'm catching that point to there. And then I'll grab that to there, grab that to there, pull that down to there, and hit check mark. And what that did, you'll turn around there, see it got this shape. Now, we still got to go in there and put some ceilings in, so this might drop down lower after a while. It might just come down to this point here. I'm not for sure. We'll leave it like that for the time being. So, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this wall. And I'll turn it a little bit and let you see it. It's this wall right here that's in that translucent looking blue color. And I want to hit Edit Profile. and I had those attached up here. So what I need to do first is close that out, and I'm going to click on it, and I want to unattach it, detach it. Detach from that, okay? And again, click on this wall, detach from that. And now, not annotate, but actually click on this wall again. Make sure I got that wall selected, and I do. Turn around, look. And what I want to do is take and edit my profile of that wall, and I want to let it follow along this. Now the book might do it a little different than I do it, but this is the way I've done this for years. So you got to make sure that these things are put together. Delete that line out. Pull this line down to there. And at that point, check mark it. Well, ain't that pretty? Blends right in. And now all we have to do is reset our temporary hide. And there we go. Now on this roof, I'm sure we're going to have to change material on it at some point as we go through the book. So why not go ahead and do it right now? All you have to do to change material is click on the roofs. Click on every one of them. And I'm going to go ahead and change this one to, it just depends on what materials they want us to use. Wood rafter, most of the time it's an 8-inch rafter. They've got them all the way up to 12-inch. Let's use this 8-inch rafter with shingles on it. And they might tell us to change that later, but for right now that looks pretty good to me. So take and save what you guys got and send that to me. If you need any help, please let me know.